if your bookmarks are all over the place. Yeah, it gets messy fast. In this full guide, I'll show you how to manage bookmarks in Google Chrome so everything stays organized and easy to find. First, make sure your bookmarks bar is visible. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus B or go into Settings and turn it on. To save a page, click the star icon in the address bar. Then choose where you want to save it, like the bookmarks bar or a folder. Now create folders to keep things organized. Right-click on the bookmarks bar and select Add Folder. You can create folders like Work, Study, or Favorites. Just drag and drop bookmarks into folders. This keeps your bar clean and easier to navigate. You can also rename bookmarks to keep them short and clear. Right-click and choose Edit. For full control, open the Bookmark Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus O. Here you can organize everything in one place. If you don't use a bookmark anymore, delete it. Keeping only useful ones makes everything faster. If you sign into Chrome, your bookmarks sync across all your devices, phone, laptop, everything. Take a few minutes every now and then to organize your bookmarks. It keeps things simple and easy to use. And yeah, that's how you manage Chrome bookmarks efficiently. Once it's organized, you'll save time every single day.